Good day. Welcome to Monoyeni Movement, otherwise known as Monoyeni Baviegang. This is a family movement that is designed for all Monoyeni generations. Yes, I would say descendants. Let me put it in that way. And through this particular movement, we've decided that we are going to be facilitating a number of services where we will be assisting each other in terms of social gatherings, whether we're having funerals or weddings or any other occasion. We'll also be having our own culture of how we're doing things as a movement. Hence, we started this movement. We started this movement with the basis of assisting many descendants because we know that there are others who would like to go into business, others are into business, they just need a push, others want to go to study further, and then like the list goes on and on and on. So it's like a sort of a foundation that is taking care of all the descendants across all generations through the donor funds that we're receiving. And there's a governing body comprising of dedicated, experienced individuals who know how to govern so that operations are running very smoothly. We also plan to have our own equipment and tents, chairs, tablecloths, dry facilities, so that when we have gatherings, there'll be different types of groups that will be in charge of decor, setup, catering, drying, drinks, etc. As we're bonding as people. And then also we having a constitution where we agree how many times we meet in a year, maybe six, maybe twice in a year. And then there's also the what you call annual conferences or event where we gather wearing our uniform displayed for social gatherings, funerals, weddings, etc. And then also creating a burial society where we assist each other when a member has got a funeral instead of going into our pockets, because funerals start when we least expect, and sometimes people don't have money at that point of time. And then there's also the project of developing a private city for the Buloyani, which I've spoken about in the previous video. A city, a township, a private village. And then also funds to assist those that want to go and study further, TVET colleges, whatever, so that the movement can be able to grow. And then also, we also plan to have products that are sold through our businesses, subsidiaries, Transtaffels, like any juice, your beer, your wines, your cornflakes, your milk, meat, whatever. And then we also plan to have newspaper, any magazine. We also plan to have our own website as well. That is profound. And our plan is that this movement must grow further and further, because now I actually started this movement having to see how the Oranje Bewegung is doing, and Oranje is doing very well. And you must understand that the future generations, like you can hear from the background, the kids that are talking, they are the ones who are going to carry the legacy forward. And what is it that they have to carry forward? Because life is unpredictable. There are those who can have it all, there are those who cannot have it all due to different types of circumstances. Hence, the movement is here to so that they can all be in one line. Because we've got different types of academics that are actually um, being out there, being exposed out there, but now we have to build the legacy further. I can quote as much as possible, I can say as much as possible, but the movement will be doing all of those things in that regard. Those that want to establish businesses, there's also be business training. Hello, Ethan, say hello. Hello, say hello. Say hello. Yeah, so as you can see, these little ones are the ones who are going to be carrying the baton forward. Brendan, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, hello. Yeah. Yeah, hello. So the movement will be able to take care of them so that their lives can be better. And we will be having meetings, quarterly reports, audited financial statements so that our donors and funders can be able to be impressed with how we do money. We also have a process where we take our funds and put them in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange market so that we can be able to even have a financial forecast and save money for the future. So the movement is going to be the most interesting movement where we'll be having gatherings, building memories, and everybody will be able to have a platform, and everybody will be happy that they form part and parcel of the movement. And we'll also be having podcasts, adult-based podcasts for business development. And and also for kiddies channels, kid entertainment. We'll be having jumping castles. Kids will be taken to amenities rides, merry-go-rounds. Like we'll be having a very beautiful experience as part of the movement. So we'll be growing up and we'll be having our own flag, our own tents, like I've stated. Yo, it's gonna be so interesting. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be dope. So welcome to Mayana Movement, and let me not speak too much. I believe the video that is displayed is actually showing you a lot of things that I'm talking about, and we hope to grow more and more and more and more to preserve our culture, our legacy, and traditions that must pass from one generation to the next. Right.